After gathering user experiences and expert feedback from across the internet, this review aims to provide a thorough and unbiased look at the Headier Nightlight Bluetooth speaker, a 5-in-1 multifunctional bedside lamp that promises to combine convenience, entertainment, and ambiance in a single compact device. If you own this product, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us bring you more reviews like this. The Headier Nightlight Bluetooth speaker is marketed as a versatile, modern gadget designed to serve as a Bluetooth speaker, touch sensor, LED lamp, alarm clock, MP3 player, and hands-free call device. Its intended audience includes teenagers, children, and anyone seeking an all-in-one solution for their bedside or living space. The product's design is compact and modern, with a white plastic body, a 45mm multimedia speaker, and a touch-sensitive top panel that controls the lamp's brightness and color settings. The lamp features 48 LED color modes, 3 levels of adjustable warm white light, and the ability to synchronize color changes with music playback, making it suitable for relaxation, reading, or as a nightlight. The device is powered by a rechargeable 2000 mAh battery, offering up to 8-10 hours of music playback at maximum volume and up to a week of nightlight use on a single charge. Charging is done via USB, with a full charge taking approximately 6 to 8 hours. One of the standout features is its multifunctionality. Users appreciate being able to use it as a Bluetooth speaker, alarm clock, and nightlight without cluttering their bedside table with multiple devices. The Bluetooth connectivity is straightforward, allowing pairing with smartphones, tablets, and laptops within a 10-meter range. Many users have noted that the speaker remains reliably connected to their devices, minimizing the hassle of repeated pairing. The sound quality is generally described as good for its size, with a clear and pleasant output suitable for small to medium-sized rooms. While it may not satisfy audiophiles seeking deep bass or high fidelity, it is considered more than adequate for casual listening, podcasts, and audiobooks. The MP3 playback feature, accessible via USB flash drive or microSD card, adds flexibility, especially for those who prefer not to rely on streaming services or Bluetooth. The lamp's touch control is another highlight. Users frequently mention the ease of adjusting brightness and cycling through the 48 color modes. The warm white light offers 3 brightness levels, making it suitable for various scenarios, from gentle night lighting to reading. The color changing mode, which can be set to cycle automatically or fixed on a single color, is especially popular among children and teenagers. The music-synced lighting effect adds a fun element for parties or relaxation, enhancing the overall ambience of a room. The lamp's lowest white setting is soft enough to function as a nightlight without disturbing sleep, though some users report that the colored light modes can be too bright for sleeping environments. As an alarm clock, the device features a large digital display with support for both 12 and 24-hour formats, a calendar, and a sleep mode. The alarm includes a snooze function, activated by tapping the top of the lamp, which delays the alarm by 5 minutes. While the alarm is effective, there are some notable limitations. The device offers only one alarm soundbird's chirping, which, while pleasant for some, may not suit everyone's preferences. Users have expressed a desire for more alarm sound options to better match individual tastes and wake-up needs. Setting the time and alarm functions is a common point of frustration. The controls for these features are located on the back of the device and require a combination of button presses, which many users find unintuitive and difficult to operate, especially in low light or for children. Memorizing the sequence of button presses is necessary, as the menus are not user-friendly and lack clear labeling. This makes it challenging for younger users to set or adjust the alarm independently. Battery life is a strong point for this product. The 2000 mAh rechargeable battery provides extended use between charges, with up to 2 weeks of standby time and a week of nightlight use. For music playback, the battery lasts approximately 8-10 hours at maximum volume, which is efficient for most daily routines. Charging is accomplished via USB, and a full charge takes between 6 and 8 hours. Users appreciate the convenience of wireless operation, especially when using the device in different rooms or during camping trips. However, the device is not water resistant, so it is best suited for indoor use. The build quality is generally regarded as good, with a sturdy plastic construction that feels durable for everyday use. The compact dimensions, approximately 4.84 inches deep, 4.92 inches wide, and 5.63 inches high, make it easy to place on a bedside table, desk, or shelf. The unit weighs about 1 pound, making it portable enough for travel or moving between rooms. The modern design and customizable lighting make it an attractive addition to a variety of spaces, from children's bedrooms to dorm rooms and even living rooms. In terms of usability, opinions are mixed. Many users praise the device's ease of use for basic functions, such as adjusting the lamp and connecting via Bluetooth. The touch sensor on the top of the lamp is responsive and intuitive, allowing quick changes to brightness and color. However, the complexity of the alarm and time-setting functions detracts from the overall user experience. The use of small, unlabeled buttons on the back of the device, combined with a lack of clear instructions, makes these features less accessible, particularly for younger users or those not comfortable with memorizing button sequences. Some users report that the lowest music volume setting is still too loud, which can be problematic for those who want to use the device as a sleep aid or for quiet background music. Additionally, the sleep mode for MP3 playback always starts from the first track on the flash drive and does not remember the last played position, which can be inconvenient for audiobook listeners or those with large music libraries. When the device enters sleep mode, it shuts off both the nightlight and the clock display, leaving users without a visible time display until the alarm sounds. This design choice has been cited as a drawback for those who rely on a visible clock throughout the night. Despite these limitations, the overall impression from users is largely positive. The device is praised for its versatility, attractive design, and the convenience of having multiple functions in one unit. It is especially popular as a gift for children and teenagers, with many reviewers noting that their kids enjoy the customizable lighting and music playback features. The product's suitability as a birthday or holiday gift is frequently mentioned, with its modern look and creative features making it a standout choice for a wide range of occasions. The inclusion of a rechargeable battery, USB charging, and the ability to play music from multiple sources adds to its appeal for families, students, and anyone seeking a multifunctional bedside gadget. Some users feel that the product does not fully justify its price, particularly given the limitations of the alarm and volume controls, as well as the lack of water resistance. However, others believe that the combination of features, design, and battery life make it a worthwhile purchase, especially for those prioritizing convenience and style. The product has received an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 3,700 ratings, indicating a generally high level of satisfaction among buyers. It is ranked #152 in alarm clocks and #50, 558 in home and kitchen on Amazon, reflecting its popularity and broad appeal. In summary, the Hedera Nightlight Bluetooth speaker is a well-designed, multifunctional device that offers a range of features suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, dorms, and even camping trips. Its strengths lie in its versatile lighting options, reliable Bluetooth connectivity, and long battery life. The main drawbacks are the unintuitive alarm and time-setting controls, limited alarm sound options, and the absence of water resistance. For those seeking an all-in-one bedside gadget that combines a nightlight, speaker, and alarm clock with customizable lighting, this product is a compelling choice. It excels as a gift for children and teenagers and adds a touch of modern style to any room. If you value ease of use for basic functions and are willing to tolerate some complexity in the alarm settings, this device is likely to meet your needs. For the best experience, familiarize yourself with the button sequences for setting the alarm and time, and consider whether the available alarm sound and volume levels suit your preferences. If you have this item, please share your experience in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description, using it supports the channel and helps us continue to provide detailed reviews.